If you're trying to install something heavy directly onto drywall, you're going to need a heavy-duty toggle bolt. I can show you in 5 simple steps how to install one. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Miguel with Pro AV Guy, and in today's video, I'll show you in 5 simple steps how you can install a heavy-duty toggle bolt directly on drywall. Before we get started, here's a list of tools that we're going to need. An impact drill, a 1/2-inch standard drill bit, a stud finder, and a Phillips head screwdriver. For this video, I'll show you how to install a 1/4-inch toggle bolt. The first thing we'll need is the toggle bolt, a 1/4-20 screw, and a washer. Step 1, mark your location. We're going to use the stud finder to make sure that we're not hitting a stud. We want to install a toggle bolt directly on drywall. Step 2, make your hole. We're going to use a 1/2-inch drill bit to go straight through the drywall. Step 3, insert the toggle bolt into the hole that you just made. Make sure that the wing opens, pull it back against the drywall, grab the plastic piece, and push it against the wall. Once it's nice and tight, go ahead and snap off the plastic pieces. Step 4, manually grab the screw and thread it by hand. Once you get a couple of turns, you're good to install. Step 5, grab the Phillips head screwdriver and make sure that it's nice and tight. And that's how you install a heavy-duty toggle bolt directly on drywall in 5 simple steps. If you found this video useful or helpful, feel free to hit like, comment, subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.